Yat shik doshidna intlichinenchla ado betani bashchin kinya ane idashchi na kaidna idashanale Roger Benali dashachana sansades rock point adinasha Sailing Jóhonaa'éí zilod nabol tra akwe nashnish di adol bahal na doshida no ye Jóhonaa'éí laho adalne da no ibicha holzisho kwe bahal na doshida no ye ko di adol PowerPoint liyahagila kwe ya bikin minel kwe de ishin kwe na kitop nache khashna dole ako nireda Jóhonaa'éí da sa tachano tachoje ako solar eclipse lunar eclipse والياو ako adi Jóhonaa'éí da sa والياو kujo ako so died or dead ishin uta waliya lekana kacha the sun has died uta bayada chalti ako Jóhonaa'éí laho adi ya so ikhadoshin but ana no nata yoji hod ahna holjish ako the sun changed itself so with translation nana alna'i ajdatanodo they went behind each other so nata yoji ito ako jo ana lo tunne yahalna patkati atat edo studio sane da done. Something bad is going to be coming. It's a message that it's giving. Doyash honigi doyat egin yet. Jatano. Nana to rejuvenation of the sun and the moon. Joko nana. Joko adon the ishin bahnal doyen the sun. The moon da the. Ako nahab do ein yet ado betnahon just betcha don just jot anhalo a new start jot up nana jo an hito we as people and then living things are also getting relief of health issues of bad things that we're going through edo nahagil atoka aron da eno naked od don hito to even yeah what up eya halna ako jo duality, so male, female, kullo, and all living things. That's how we understand as Native Americans. Okay, there's such a word as inakish, a spiritual term that a lot of people use, medicine people. Okay, what it means is communication to a certain time. Living things would communicate with their own kind or with one another of different kind. Of communication, that's what's happening in a sun and lunar eclipse. The sun and the moon, they're communicating, they're meeting. In a way of communication, the sky meets earth through rain, snow, fog, wind, the time of planting. Aron da inle shoneka hada. Hagi kwa alkinda kish. Nanad an hie denne nitliniki do hota ni himadon hija ni chen masanda alkina kish liyahi ben nacha nitlon hie the time of planting it wasn't one time or another. Joko hot ebike house it linko. It hagi jo ediki benachinko. The do's and don'ts and nunigi jo equalo dojin ida basti hana basti. Do not look at it. Nana do achiyada. Do not eat or drink. Was this son have reverence? Do tlata. Stay out of the sunlight. Nana o tsango means a mother to be, a father to be, a baby in the womb of the mother. Ako hot hagi a maja do lehiki jo do yin ida do bet tlata. Kachinna. Aronda ya jo asthui sanye da sanye jo ishi da thought. During that time, they would sing songs that pertain to the eclipse. Nana Sohatazindo, Sotatalism, Edo, Oko, meaning singing and praying during those times. Edo, Hot Ayata Hatna. Nana de less light from the sun. So on a normal day, you would get the normal amount of light. During the eclipse, the light is going to be coming at you at a 95% or even less. So they say that that light that's less, it's coming in with bad things. Because bad luck that hardship that is that Nana Koche Ishin Bana Deshin Don Toyashonigi Epis do Tlaso Eto be in Jagata Jatananigi to AD hot ocean Epinato be Tlata Hatna. So the light gives off negative things because of the less there's a the shadowy part of the sun, a quality that's bad for all living things. So ikot la chahao, chahao, the shadow. So I nest we evil or negative energy that's giving out energy of the past. The Kadeshin that's the so that's where the shadow is. The sun is giving off that energy, the negative way. Even in you don't go into the light. Otherwise, if you do, you're going to be blessed with that. So the complication of that Nana, do not eat or drink. Complication with digestive system. Could be a young, Nana, I don't know, a long, that's okay. Hardishin, they had some of the ordinary, like an intake of bad food. So that was blessed with bad energy. So you have partaken that. So later on, it's going to start giving you digestive system issues with that. So because ceremonies, correction, then the other ceremonies out there. Are the symptoms again? Jóhonaa'éí, Ajago, Janelle, it'll give you symptoms like problems with the vision, nana migraine, headaches, most people they come in for prayers and songs for medicine people to do is they're having problems with digestive system. Ako put I could did all the was the slag badishna bin yakwagi. Ako Joe cost huge loan san it loan za yos kafat. Joe had a kid on a rahagi. We try to share those understandings with the younger relatives of yours. Had on the yeah, so passionate on that. So it kind of depends on who you talk with or who you talk to or who's giving the information. It depends on, ceremony and the lahagita, the tradition, there'll be some differences in between the stories about not just the eclipse, but all things that are out there, our environment. Maybe there's a lot of stories out there from your parents, from your relatives, from elders that you would hear at this time and moment. And then what's given here. So these are just little puzzle pieces that are put out there for you. So you bring all those together to make a full picture, to make a full understanding for yourself and for your family. Take care. Shalshana soke. Mosatselisha days. But